What's good, family? Alright. So, we are going to talk about this week's gold movement. We're going to get a little breakdown on how the hell we got this 1,000 pip entry this week and executed all the way up to the exact point that we needed to take profit at. Alright, so let's get into this. So, as you guys can see, we got the daily of gold, which if you look at our setup right here is I can't even read these fucking numbers. This is why we don't fuck with this shit. I'm just playing. I actually read all of my pips for gold on MetaTrader, so I don't use this to look at pips, but I can show you the before and after of the trade, and the pip count is 1,000 pips almost exactly this week. So basically, we took our long down here, and we took profit pretty much right here, which is at our second TP, and we are still holding for a possible take profit at our third entry, or our third level. But in order to get there, we have a little bit of hope, and we're just riding with the wave, and we're moving with the trailing stop. So this week, we saw what looked like a possible rejection from this supply, even though price didn't actually touch it yet. So we had seen the week start off coming down, and we dropped back down to a retest of the last, well, I guess we're retesting it and turning into a new demand of the last supply. So this is a monthly supply, so we know we're going to see some real rejection or something in this area. So we're looking for buys already based off of that this last week right there. And as you can see, within one day, we had a quick swoop down, real quick, to retest this zone. And one key trick I want you guys to take away from this video, look at the daily high from that last candle. Just based off of that, we know that there's a good chance price is going to retest. It's going to want to test the high of yesterday's daily. And if you also go back to the weekly time frame as well, you can see that's also last week's high, body-wise. And we get that drop, and you can see we get that pullback real quick. That's TP number 1. TP number 2 was just right back up at the top, at the touch of the supply zone. Very simple. So 500 pips, pretty much, maybe more, 1,000 pips. And how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Very simple, yo. I can break it down on the lower time frames and just show you how quick it moves. And how quick you can get 1,000 pips. It's really nothing. This was a 3,000 pip week. Like, let me show you the oil trade. You guys saw this entry. We called this out. Very beautiful. We got people in on it too. We got people who hit me up about this, and you guys catching this money because you some beasts. That's what's up. Look at this, 600 pips. We're sitting on 600 pips right now. Market is closed. It's a Saturday. We always working, but like, come on. That's what's up. So beyond that, let's get back to gold. There you have it, yo. Look at the retest. Right back down, right after it hit TP, or right before TP. That shows you manipulation in the market. Actually, I did take most profits pretty early right here, so I'm one of those people that will be prepared to take profits. But look at that drop back down just to fuck you over if you're not prepared, which is why we got the trailing stops, and we're always getting better. So hope this helps. I love you guys. This is the Share and Profit gang, team, squad. You know what it is. We're always building. We're always working on ourselves, and I'm here to help you guys. You're here, always helping me. I love you. We'll catch you in the future. Deuces.